So we will today learn how to use Get API in Retrofit using Java. Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another tutorial of UKTechtions. Today we will learn how to integrate Retrofit in our project. So before starting our tutorial, if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe this channel. Also like our Facebook page, which is UKTechtion tutorial. So let's create a quick project here. Retrofit implementation and then finish. While it's building, let us see what is Retrofit. Search Retrofit on your Google. It's an open source library, so let's go to this and check out. So what is Retrofit? Retrofit is a safe type HTTP client for Java and Android. It helps you to provide the response of the request you have called from HTTP client, and it helps you to give the response in JSON object. You can use its multiple requests: get, post, put, delete, update, and etc. So we will today learn how to use Get API in Retrofit using Java. So I have find a website which is known as recris.in. It provide us fake APIs, fake data, real response, always on. It's a free API, and how to use or how to learn Retrofit, there are multiple requests: get, put, post, patch, delete, and etc. And now I will use it. So the project is built now. Let us create the first step. What is the first step? We have to define the Gradle, implement here the Retrofit library. So how to use Retrofit library? Here we will just figure it out. So here we will found where is the Retrofit. You can copy this Marvin or paste into your project, right? Or you can use this Gradle or download this jar, right? So to get the version, it says insert the latest version. How to get the version? Go to GitHub and you can simply call this link here, and then you will found here the latest version of Retrofit. So what I have done here, I have just copied these for my ease, and this is the Retrofit API library, and we have to use this JSON converter to the library, and this is the JSON for our code, right? So we will just copy these three and then we paste it to our project, right? And then sync the project. While syncing our project, we have to see how these APIs work from Recris, right? We will just copy it and use our Postman. What is Postman? Postman is a free tool to hit the APIs and check the response what it will. And now we will copy this link, copy it and post it here in a Postman. And because it's a get API, we don't need to use it. So this is a query parameter in the get request, and the page is the variable and the value is 2. So let's send the, and we get this data, right? So these are the image, ID, email, first name and last name. You have to copy all this data, right, which is your response. You have to copy this response, and then you will go to the website JSON Pojo, and this is a very first link, JSON schema to Pojo. What you will do here, you will just paste this response and select here the package name you want to give here. So let's say Recris data, Recris model, and you have to click the JSON here and the JSON here, and then you have to just preview it or download the zip. Let me just extract it here, right, and copy this data. What is the next process? Now I will just paste the response here, and see these are the response, and we have to delete this at generate annotation. And so what step we have done in this project right away? We have just add these libraries and download this package from the JSON Pojo Schema website.